Hi, I'd like to share a brief video with you of a HydroPlex that we just installed in Peoria, a suburb of Phoenix, Arizona. The HydroPlex is installed side stream. We pull water from the tower basin, treat it, filter it, and return it. It's installed with Schedule 80 PVC and a 110 circuit and a 220 circuit for the pump. You can see we tapped into the existing drain of the tower basin, and we return the water through hydro booster sweeper jets that are installed below the surface. When the conductivity of the water approaches 3,000, the set point we have at this installation, the purge valve is open automatically, and we're draining water, and we'll lower the TDS of the tower basin water with makeup water. When the conductivity drops below the set point, the automatic purge valve closes, and of course we stop draining water. On this installation, we also had to install a leaf trap because of the high amount of debris circulating around this ground-mounted open tower. Scale is already falling off of the bundle inside the tower. We have stopped Legionella, and we're extending the life of the tower.